Bring you on into the temps, and we're all doing okay. Wow, 750 degrees in Gila Bend right now, and 1,270 in Ahwatukee. Now, I'm not authorized to evacuate Ahwatukee, but this temperature seems pretty high.
Cave Creek is really
Yeah, Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, they don't look good either. And frankly, Wickenburg is a total loss.
The entire time I knew him, he only ever had one goal. To wipe out half the universe. Just like that.
Tell me his name again.
Christopher Robin.
Crunches, when it crunches, that's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Help! Did you bring a loaf of Clausen's bread? No! Why don't you drop down to the grocery store for some? Clausen's bread is like music to my ears. What are the symbols for? This is the very symbolic commercial. What you eating? A sandwich made with Clausen's bread. Want a bite? Sure.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game.
Look at where we are.
Another highway is going to be really useful.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet, though.
Wait, you're not done building it? Ah!
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen.
So it would seem.
Oh, Mr. Williams.
Elmo.
What are you going to do with that stick?
Oh, there's lots of things you can do with this stick, Elmo.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
And let me see what you have. No!
I'm not gonna give up yet. If fish can live underwater, then so can I.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Grape, strawberry, watermelon.
Chicken strip!
I'm John Cena!
Now that's a fire. Listen, son. Knock you in your head with my stick, with my stick. You gon' have a mark from my stick, from my stick. My stick, my stick. My stick is better than bacon. You can't touch my stick. I don't wanna. Yeah, you want my stick. Dunk your coconut with my stick. Look at my stick. You gon' feel the wrath of my stick. Fear my stick. My stick.